Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I create really beautiful and cool title animation with using Element 3D and After Effects. So firstly guys, I create new comp, this one, and comp name guys type anyone like text, simple, and duration I take 10 seconds and background color I take black and press OK. Yeah, and now guys I take text, this one, and type any letter like anything. I like this one, I type this one, and guys go to alignment. Yeah, right, it's easy. So guys, this time I take new solid layer and layer name take 3D and press OK, right, and hide this layer, this one text one, and guys select this 3D layer and go to effect and use element 3D. Yeah, guys go to custom layer and go to here mask and use this one. Yes, and click on screen. Yes, right. Okay, so guys firstly click on here extrude and see guys, that's my simple title, right? And now guys little bit increase size like this. Yes guys, I increase this size, so go to here bevel and bevel extrude I take like 5. Yes, and click on here guys, use maximum resolution like this, ultra. Yes, like last one extreme. Yeah, right, see. Okay, so now guys I apply material, so go to presets and guys I apply pro shader 2 material, go to metal and see guys, that's my like jet black color material. Yeah, I like this one, that's my black tile material, right? Okay, so guys also change UV, so go to here and click on here UV, repeat it like 2.5 and second one same 2.5. Yeah, right, it's better. And guys also change material type, so go to here material type, I use standard. Yeah, I like this one. Yeah, that's better for me. Yes, okay, so now guys I take one more extrude, this one, so copy this 3D model, so shortcut command is Control D. Yes, see guys, that's my second one and click on here bevel and extrude guys like 1. Yes, and go to down bevel outline check and bevel increase. Yes, see guys, that's my second one, this one, right? Okay, so guys little bit change outside bevel, increase I like 300. Yes, and guys change material, I like guys use this one chrome material, actually second one. Yes, see, right? Okay, so select this one and go to back like this and guys again, so guys copy this shape, press Ctrl D. Yeah, and go on here like this. Yes, and now guys I take one more, press Ctrl D. Yes, and decrease this height, so go to here chrome material and up. Guys, extrude, I take like 0.5. Yes, and like this. Yeah, and guys, also change material. This one, black outline. Yes, right. Okay, so now guys, I also apply this one, brightness glow light material. So select this one, 3D shape, and copy, Control D. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, go to here, bevel outline, little bit decrease like 200, and inside bevel increase like same 200. Yes, and apply this one material. Yes, it's really good, right? Okay, so now guys, also change this extrude, little bit decrease. Yes, yeah, that's really good. And guys, go to here, yeah, and closer. Yes, right. Okay, so now guys, copy this shape, this one, copy, and little bit go on here. Yes, I create shape like this, again copy. Yeah, and last one, copy. Yes, see guys. Okay, so select this one and apply on here. Yeah, see guys, that's my final shape. It's really beautiful, right? Okay, so guys, for background I use plane, this one, and guys, two-sided plane, check, and increase this plane size, this one like 2000. Yes, and rotate this plane, rotate 90 degree. Yes, actually 90. Yeah, and go to back. Yes, right. See, okay, so guys, also apply background material. So same, I go to Pro Shader 2. Yeah, and guys, same, go to metal, and guys, I like roughness shader like this one, apply on plane. Yeah, and guys, also change UV. So select this one and UV change like 20 and 20. Yeah, guys, little bit more like 25 and 25. Yeah, this is much better, right? Yeah, okay, so last one guys, I apply environment light, HDRI light. Go to environment, and I like this one. Yes, that's better for me, right? Okay, so guys, simple, my 3D modeling, actually that's my simple text effect. So press OK, it's finish. Yes, right. Okay, so now guys, I apply light. So take new and use light, and light color, it's red, and little bit increase intensity like 80%. Yeah, and go to here. Yeah, and guys, now I take second one, and this one I take blue light, blue, and intensity is good. Yes, and go to on right side, select this light. Yes, so guys, now you can change pivot and select this light and closer like this, and same. Yeah, right. Okay, so change view angle. Yes, right. Okay, so now guys, I take camera, and presets I use 80 mm, actually 28 mm, and press OK. Yeah, and guys, use orbit camera tool like this, and closer and closer. Yes, go to here and orbit little bit change. Yeah, guys, I create camera movement animation. Yes, I like this one. And now close. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, go to here, camera and transform, and all check. Yes, and guys, go to like 8 second and rotation change. Simple rotation like this. Yes, right. Okay, so play and play. Yeah, see guys, that's my camera movement animation. It's really good. Yeah, excellent, right? So go to back like 9 second, and guys, select all keyframes and press F9. Yes, that's smooth. Yeah, much better, right? Okay, so now guys, I apply ambient occlusion light, actually shadow. So use, go to here 3D and unfold, go to render setting. Guys, go to ambient occlusion. Yes, and ambient occlusion check. Yes. Now guys, intensity increase like 6. Yes, better. See guys, that's my intensity. I like 6. Yes, and radius is good. Samp like 32. Yeah, and final, go to here output and increase this count. Yes, that's it, right? Okay, so guys, last one, I apply, guys, use depth of field. It's really beautiful effect. So on, yeah, and focus distance, guys, I take like 300, and aperture increase like 50. Yes, see guys, that's my beautiful depth of field effect. See, right? See guys, that's my focus point, and you can change any focus point, like I take 250. Yeah, see, that's my focus distance, and like 270. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, that's it. It's really beautiful lighting effect, and with using depth of field, camera motion, right? Okay, so guys, that's it. My final animation is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.